మామూలు నేలకు బదులుగా వుడెన్ ఫ్లోర్ను ప్రయత్నించండి. ఏర్పాటు చేయడం తేలిక. తక్కువ ఖర్చులో కొత్త లుక్ను ప్రయత్నించవచ్చు. కొన్నాళ్ల పాటు ఉంచి ఇష్టం లేనప్పుడు తీసి పక్కన పెట్టేయొచ్చు. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Hello everyone, this is Shreya. I'm a textile and a graphic designer in Stree. So for today I'll showcase some of our heritage premium sarees, so which are basically more of handloom based fabrics and also like pure fabrics. This is Banarsi handloom based fabric which has overall zari motif running throughout the saree. This saree is completely hand woven and it has the zari booties all over running throughout the saree. And this is pure silk based zari motifs which we have handcrafted and highlighted over in our design studio. This has sequins and poth work running throughout the saree. It has a elegant look, and also the fall of the saree is really amazing. So you can just pair it up with any sleek blouse or a very highly embroidered blouses. The saree has an amazing fall to it and you can drape it as you want. And also we have done like 2 more colors on this particular design and style. Same style we have another color which is like a bright orange color. This color gives a very vibrant look to it, and it also has the same buta zari motif running throughout the border. The base again, it's a silk based fabric and it has sleek border to it which is a zari border. Also it has the poth and sequence work throughout the saree. So you can pair the saree with a sleek blouse or a heavy embroidered blouse, and you can just go it for like every occasion, and you can team it up with royal kind of jewelries and it will give you a really premium and elite look to it. Coming on to the next saree, this is a Kashmiri saree which is completely hand woven and hand worked. This is completely hand embroidered and it has highlighting and embellishments of kardanas, sequins and Swarovski crystals on it. So this saree almost took us like 3.5 months to get it completely hand embroidered. So you can see the overall look of the saree. This has a really heavy pallu designs which has completely hand embroidered floral motifs with a border detailing as well. So this fabric is completely hand woven and it gives more of a premium look. So these all collection are of our premium heritage collection. So this saree is completely intricated which gives it a very heavy look to it. Also adds to it intricacy. There are a lot of embroideries and tonal contrast colors which adds up to its look. Early 30s to early 40s women can pair up the saree, and you can pair up the saree with a very elegant blouse and just go it for occasions like kitty parties or small occasions or some traditional occasions like that. Also like 20s women can also pair it up with very sleek blouse and giving it a very trendy look to it. Coming to the next saree, this is also a Kashmiri saree which is completely hand woven and hand embroidered. It also has some details like cut works and all over embellishments like sequins and kardanas throughout the saree. This pale lilac color gives you a very elegant look, and you can also pair it up with very sleek and fancy trendy blouse, and you can go for any occasions, be it a party or a kitty party or some traditional occasion like that. So in the same saree we have 2 more color options to it, and also this saree took us like for 3.5 months again to get it completely done. So this has the overall check patterns going throughout the saree in the pallu as well as in the body section. The fabric base of this saree is bubble georgette and it has amazing drape and fall. You can see it can be very flowy and lightweight fabric, and you can pair it for very good occasions or very like kitty parties and some occasions like small parties also. You can just pair this up with a contrasting blouse and a very sleek sleeves also. This again is a different color combination of that particular style. This is an off-white beige color sari which has a pink and red color embroidery, hand embroidery done over it. This is also a Kashmiri sari, and it has embellishments like sequins and kardanas throughout the sari. This has also a cut work detailing running throughout the check pattern. It can be worn for day wear and night wear occasions, and you can just select the color options according to your choice and just go for these Kashmiri sarees and premium heritage sarees. So I hope you like this collection of premium heritage sarees. So kindly for any queries, do visit our website Stree Official and DM us for any of your queries, and do visit our store which is in Jubilee Hills. Thank you.
చూసారుగా ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా లుక్స్. ఇక మామూలు చెక్క ఫర్నిచర్కు బదులుగా లోహపు హంగులుండేవి, అక్కడక్కడ బంగారు వన్నెల అలంకరణ పొదిగిన ఫర్నిచర్ నుంచితే ఇంటికి అందం వస్తుంది.